Imagine a festival where vibrant colours paint every face, where laughter fills the air, and where old grudges simply melt away. But is Holi just a playful explosion of colour? Or does it hold a deeper, more profound message, one that resonates across cultures and time? Did you know that Holi is also a powerful message of good over evil? At the heart of Holi lies the ancient story of Prahlad and Holika. It's a narrative that transcends religious boundaries, a story of unwavering faith and the triumph of good over evil. Prahlad, a devoted follower of truth, faced persecution from his own father, a tyrannical king, and his aunt, Holika. Holika, believed to be immune to fire, attempted to burn Prahlad. But in a twist of fate, Holika was consumed by the flames, symbolizing the destruction of negativity. The bonfire, or Holika Dahan, is a powerful reminder that truth and righteousness will always prevail. Traditionally, people take the ashes from the bonfire, applying them to their foreheads, a symbolic act of purification and a reminder of the ephemeral nature of negativity. This ancient tradition, though less common today, carries a potent message of renewal. Holi is more than just a celebration. It's a social ritual of reconciliation. The phrase "Bura namano," holy high, often translated as "don't mind, it's holy," goes beyond a simple excuse for playful antics. It's an invitation to genuinely forgive and forget. Traditionally, it was a time when social hierarchies were temporarily suspended, allowing people from all walks of life to mingle freely, to mend broken relationships, and to start anew. In a world often divided, Holi reminds us of the power of forgiveness and the importance of fostering social harmony. This aspect of Holi, the spirit of forgiveness, is a powerful message for all of humanity. Historically, the colours of Holi were derived from natural sources: turmeric for yellow, neem for green, and sandalwood for red. These natural colours weren't just for fun, they often had medicinal properties, reflecting the ancient wisdom of Ayurveda. Holi marks the transition from winter to spring, a time of renewal and rebirth. The vibrant colours mirror the blossoming of nature, a visual celebration of life's cyclical rhythm. However, with modern industrialisation, synthetic colours have replaced natural ones, posing environmental and health concerns. Returning to natural colours would be a way to honour the festival's traditional connection to nature and Ayurveda, and to promote sustainability. Holi isn't celebrated uniformly across India and Nepal. From the Lathmar Holi in Barsana, where women playfully beat men with sticks, to the vibrant flower Holi in Vrindavan, each region has its unique customs and traditions. In Manipur, Holi is known as Yao Sang, a 5-day festival combining Hindu and indigenous traditions. In Nepal, Holi is celebrated with great enthusiasm, reflecting the shared cultural heritage. This diversity highlights the richness of Indian and Nepalese cultures, demonstrating how a single festival can be interpreted and celebrated in countless ways. Understanding and appreciating these variations fosters a sense of unity and diversity. Holi, beyond its vibrant colours and playful spirit, is a powerful reminder of the triumph of good over evil, the importance of forgiveness, the connection to nature, and the beauty of cultural diversity. It's a festival that carries timeless messages relevant to all humanity. What aspects of renewal resonate with you? Share your thoughts below. If you found these deeper meanings insightful, consider sharing this video to spread the message of Holi. Let's carry the spirit of Holi, the spirit of forgiveness, renewal, and unity, beyond the festival itself, making it a part of our daily lives. If this exploration of Holi's deeper meanings has sparked your curiosity, there's always more to discover. Consider exploring the rich cultural heritage of India and Nepal. or perhaps reflecting on how these timeless values can enrich your own life.